G'day traders, welcome to wrap up of Friday the 24th of February. So this particular day, I know we're all used to very slow days, but probably one of the slower days again that I've seen. We pretty much just didn't break out of this 3.5, 4 point range for the whole day. We hit two power points in the morning and then one basically in the last minute of the day. So just hitting 3 power points for the day makes it very tough. We've really got to start seeing some momentum and some trends, to start looking at some of the safer, all the better high percentage trades. So this particular area here, just going over it, the market starts to push up. As we keep on pushing higher and higher, it's hard to believe the market's going to continue to go high just because they're so extended, and we're just, once again, we're waiting for this pullback. Then as we start to head down here, if it started to break this area here, that would have brought a lot of momentum for these sellers, and we could have seen, a lot more action, seen some pullbacks, and then really get on some sells. So that's the sort of thing you want to start looking for. Look for it to break significant areas. It's pullback here, push down. It's nothing's really strong until it starts breaking this area. So that's kind of an area you want to keep in mind. And then once you see that happen, then look for the opportunities. In the end, that didn't happen, so it pushed back up, just slowly grinding up, and through lunchtime went very much sideways. Then in the afternoons, this is what I wanted to see. This is what I was hoping for a little bit earlier. As it started to push down, all the momentum started to switch to the downside. End of this candle here showed quite a bit of sellers coming into the market. All the other markets were selling off as well, and so it did push down. But even we're in such a tight range. By the time we hit the end of the day, it was only went 5-6 ticks. So just typical of the day. Even though it was the right area, and you can see the sellers really want to have a crack. The range is way too tight just to be even getting a trade out of that. But that's the sort of thing you want to look for. Okay, all the momentum starts switching to the downside like that. Take it through the 1 minute chart. So these are the 2 power points we hit for the morning, and there's not a lot to report. You can see we're just staying within that range. It looks even worse when you're on a 1 minute chart. It's even harder to see the trends. It just basically looks like a completely sideways day, and then we hit that power point right at the end of the day there. So keep in mind, I guess, support and resistance. Look for it to break. The main point is break down, and we'll be breaking up. And that's the sort of thing we want to start seeing more of. And we'll start to see more of that when this market starts to move more and get off its highs on the daily charts. So that's Friday, guys. Not a very exciting Friday, but still plenty to learn. Always keep your mind open for options. Keep refining those trading plans. And then we'll be back to do it again on Monday and speak to you guys then.